Good morning. Welcome to MBA Traders. This is Shiva. And day 62 of 2.5 lakhs to 6 lakh challenge. You can see I just entered. Let me place my SL below the candle. Just one. You can see just market open. I entered based on 9:15 started. 1 second. You can see it creating a hammer. That's why I entered. On us option chart, you can see market open continuing fell. Taking the resistance from the previous day support. Previous day support work as a resistance. Same to it took resistance and create a bearish engulfing. That's why I entered. You can see 15-minute time frame also. Candle doji close and second candle open below the body, so we can expect a good fall. That's why we enter on this particular trade. Okay, you can say as we enter, market given a good profit. Still we not booked based. We I said I always wait for the worst one, or way I'm going to place the cost to cost. You can see it always started bullishness. That's why I updated my SL to trial SL to cost to cost. You can see just wait. Okay, you can see our trial is selected. Reason you can see the market open, the doji created. Might be chance for market take some retest and then we can expect a good reversal bearishness. So once the market give him one more confirmation of the bearishness, we're gonna re-enter the same trade once again. Yes, if want we can book the profit. First given a good profit, still I have not booked. I said I only book when it come to 1:1, or I always try to place a cost to cost only. So let me show. Just follow the rules. Sometimes it's giving a biggest profit. We're not gonna book if it started booking earlier. Okay, just you can see. As previously, in looking for a retracement, a confirmation. The morning we expected a fall, but market right now taking support and create a trend line right to break. So you can see open, fall, took the resistance, lower formation. It has to continue, but trying to take support from the previous support place. So I'm expecting continue bullishness. You can see in 5-minute time frame also too close to hit our support place. So that's why we enter. Once the candle, we can expect good rally. Now you can see first the trade got started, try to bullish and given a good profit. Still we not book it. Reason I said previously, it's only we're gonna book at least 1:1, or we're gonna cost to cost we're gonna place our SL. You can see it try to take some support. Once get the support, we want to get the same time once again. Let me show you the R books and the final position. These are the R books and the final position. Okay, just enter the same trade. One previously we exited. Reason our SL got triggered, and once our SL got triggered, it again created a good bullish mother candle and above the trend line broken, so we can expect a continued bullishness on option chart. So that's why I re-enter the same trade. We want to place our SL below the candle. Let me give you the analysis spot chart. You can see same we expected a support taken from the previous day support in the green zone, so expected day high and the previous consolidation of the second target. Let me wait for the candle close. We can expect a good rally upside. Okay, you can see our trade got started. So that's why I updated my SL to close to the candle. It has to be take support. In case it's not going to take support, we can expect a once again a fall. It might be expected a support. You can see creating a bullish engulfing once the candle close. Okay, you can see the trade got started. That's why I updated to cost SL. Let's wait for candle close. Mostly I'm expecting it has to be take some bullish next at this band. In case you get a reversal, we can expect a one more double bottom support. You can see as we expected it try to fall and our trial is a triggered, and I'm expecting it has to be take bullish exit span, but in case the reversal we can expect a downfall and create a double bottom pattern, then we can expect rally. Let me show you the order books and the final position. Okay, let me enter. I said previous the same. Our trial is triggered and as we started a bullishness, create a good mother candle. So I'm expecting continue bullish. That's why we enter same period once again. So once the candle close above, we can expect a good rally. Let me place my SL below this candle. Once it give me confirmation, we're gonna re-update our SL below any good hammer or any bullish channel fin candle below. So you can see 5 minute time from also starting bullishness. So I expect a good rally. This going to be our first target and day high going to second target. If once we above close, we can expect a good third target. Okay, so I expect the market started bullish. So that's why I updated my trial laser below this hammer. As I said previously, whenever the swing created, we're gonna update our below the swing as the trial laser until we're gonna wait for the confirmation. One game confirm we're gonna update. You can see 5 minute time frame it created a good bullish candles. So that's why I updated my trial laser on base of 1 minute time frame. Let's wait for it. Okay, again previously I said whenever it give me confirmation of swing, we're gonna update our SL and I mean trial laser. I said I updated my trial laser below the swing. So I'm expecting there is a red candle. So our trial we're gonna re-enter same time once give me one more confirmation. These are the 5 positions. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, I just trying to consider. Previously we expected a continue bullish, but try to creating a red candle. So might be chance for a support again taking from the day up. So that's why enter on PE side. You can see I just place a tight SF. It has to be fall. In case you get a not gonna fall, we can expect a good upside move also. That's why place a two tight SL. So let's wait for candle. Mostly it has to be fall. You can see it taking retracement from the exact previous neck point. Actually, I'm not sure about this particular trade. That's why I place a tight SL once again. I updated my SL, you can see. So you have to play, okay, as we expected. Hit trigger. You can see it try to creating an inside candle breakout. That's why we updated our SL too tight. So this is the final position, the entry and exit positions. I can see. Okay, let me enter once again. Previous I said once you give confirmation, we re-enter. You can see breaking the previous candle low, creating bearish channel fin. That's why I'm same trade. Daily going to our first target. Okay, then I'm just updating myself because I'm not sure about the bearishness. I'm still expecting good bullish trend upside. That's why I'm placing two tight SL. So I'm expecting in case it's going to reversal, we're not going to lose much. Let's wait for candle close. Okay, as expected, I try to hit my SL. Okay, as expected, our trial sorry, our second trade. We are re-enter trade. Once again, bullish confirmation. We're going to enter upside. You can see these are our rooks and the final position. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, you can see I just enter. You can see as we previously we exited, market tried to consolidate between the same rates as a market open. I created continue fall and creating swing in followed by a trend line. It tried to consolidate between the same range after 11 o'clock. So once it tried to break this zone, I'm expecting a continued bullishness upside. So that's why it a particular If the candle closes above the green zone, we can expect it to carry forward as the position. This is going to be our first target. Mostly it has to wait, and this is going to second target. Let's wait for it. Okay, you can see its parts are trying to move, but after not moving, and you can see they chance for a bearishness and take support. So same happening. That's why I updated my SL2 close in case they're expected a consolidation. Let's wait for candy close. Okay, two close hit our SL. SL got triggered. As I said previously, we enter the trend, the basis of the trend line breakout and consolidation breakout. We entered after the consolidation breakout, but the fake breakout, it again tried to enter the same zone. I am expecting a consolidation again, so I'm not going to trade much today because the consolidation, the option as the option buyer, we're not going to survive in this consolidation market. It's gonna hit our both side, upside and downside SL. That was I'm not going to. This is the last trade for the day. You can see earlier it given a good profit. If I book the profit from the starting, we can expect a 20,000 plus profit. Still we not booking. Reason we are following the past few days. We are in last reason. The earlier it given a good profit. That right now is giving loss. That means we not want to change our strategy. We gonna book our profit whenever it give me 1:1. I'm gonna place my trial SR. It's not gonna give me 1:1. I'm gonna place our cost cost. It's market moving continuously. I'm gonna trial my SL. Once you give me started 1:1, this is gonna strategy and follow. No matter it is loss or profit, I'm not gonna change my strategy because it's gonna work. Last few days is gonna last. That means it's not gonna work. Chalo, done for the day. See you on next video.